Welcome back, creators. We're TrustedShoppingGuide.com, and today we're in the workshop. In this video, we'll be sharing with you our 7 highest rated rug tufting guns. DIY rug making seems like a lot of fun since it allows you the option to produce thoughtful presents for loved ones. At the same time, it is a fantastic business concept. Although we have very efficient industrial machineries, they are often rather costly and huge. Not the kind of thing you can get off Amazon and set in the corner of your workshop. Somewhere in between, we have tufting guns, a handheld tufting machine used to make rugs. It's much faster than manual methods like latch hook or punch needle, but a step down from industrial tufting machines for carpet. They make it possible to create unique carpet patterns in a short amount of time. With today's 7 top-rated tufting guns, we will be taking you on a journey to another craft. And we will spark your imagination with a slightly different tool than those you are used to. The team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com have researched, assessed, and awarded ratings to all the rug tufting guns that will be presented in this video. We have selected our top-rated options for you, making it easier to decide which one to buy today. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. You are welcome to check us out on TrustedShoppingGuide.com for more of our research in the workshop, or alternatively subscribe to this channel for regular updates. The first rug tufting gun on our list is the Hucor Tufting Gun. The tufted carpet gun is a lightweight, compact electric knitting tool that measures 14.57 by 10.63 by 3.15 inches and is convenient to store. It can be easily lifted and operated while working. It features a stainless steel body that ensures durability and an ergonomic design for its handle so you can work with it comfortably. Plus, it comes in 2 colors so you can choose which one you like. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Hucor Tufting Gun a 5-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following. High speed. The tufting gun has high working efficiency with a speed of 5 to 40 stitches per second. At the same time, the rug gun works quietly. 360-degree rotatable handle. You can conveniently position the handle as you want and need it to be for faster and easier work. Safe to use. It has safety and prevention functions for overvoltage, overcurrent, and short circuits to protect the safety of users and prevent accidents. Ergonomic design. The gun features a curved cylindrical handle with frosted material so it won't be slippery for long hours of work. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is the scissors are a bit dull. The second rug tufting gun on our list is the BBTO Tufting Gun. This tufting gun is made from reliable, high-quality stainless steel for a sturdy and rust-resistant device that will serve you a long time. Size-wise, it measures 14.61 by 10.51 by 3.35 inches and weighs a little more at 4.73 pounds. It's available in 3 colors, so you'll be able to pick the one that suits your imagination and creativity. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the BBTO Tufting Gun a 5-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following. Effective performance. This carpet tufting gun can be widely applied to weave different types of carpets and can reach a high speed of 2,400 revolutions per minute or more, so as to improve work efficiency in production. Quiet operation. Because this gun makes so little noise, you won't have to worry about bothering others or dealing with the frustration of a loud machine. Safe to use. Protective measures for short circuit and overvoltage are considered in the device to prevent mishaps. Highly convenient. This equipment is not only extensively used in high-speed knitting and flexible movement, but it is also appropriate for mobile table work, allowing you to make delicate, most types of lovely artwork and useful carpets. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is the cord gets very hot. The third rug tufting gun on our list is the Bestgear Rug Tufting Gun. The Bestgear Cut and Loop Pile Tufting Gun enables you to fully express your creativity with its dimensions of 15.51 by 13.94 by 3.86 inches with a weight of 3 pounds. Lightweight and comfortable to use, it is definitely ideal for long tufting sessions. Not to mention, its 360-degree rotating grip makes it easy to lift and operate. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Bestgear Rug Tufting Gun a 5-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following. 2-in-1. It can be switched manually between the cut pile and the loop pile. Not only will it create your own carpets, but it will also help you make unique kinds of artwork. High efficiency. The knitting speed of the carpet flocking gun can reach 4 to 45 stitches per second, which makes the production efficiency 80 to 100 times higher than traditional manual creation. Adjustable pile height. This feature gives you options on how you want to work with the stitches so you can knit your preferred designs easily. 360-degree rotatable handle. You may set the handle comfortably wherever you want and need it for quicker and easier work. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is you need to replace the scissors if you want to switch the pile. The fourth rug tufting gun on our list is the Art Tufting Gun. This tufting gun is molded with an ABS unibody that is corrosion-resistant, durable, and sturdy, not easily broken or deformed. It measures 14.75 by 10 by 3.25 inches and just weighs 3 pounds, so it can be used for an extended time without experiencing fatigue. It comes in 2 colors, pink and blue, clearly designed for the young at heart. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Art Tufting Gun a 5-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following. Skin sticker. It comes with 10 specially designed skin stickers that completely match the shape of the tufting gun body, allowing you to personalize your exclusive tufting gun. 360-degree handle. This tufting gun comes with a 360-degree adjustable auxiliary handle for optimal comfort and flexibility when in use. 2-in-1 cut pile and loop pile. You can manually switch between the cut pile and the loop pile to produce a variety of one-of-a-kind artworks. High speed. It reaches a speed of 5 to 40 stitches per second, plus it has an adjustable speed to help you create your rug swiftly and easily, whether you are a newbie or an expert. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is you need to replace the scissors if you want to change the pile. The 5th rug tufting gun on our list is the Wahipa Rug Tufting Gun. Make weaving simple and efficient with the Wahipa Tufting Gun, capable of high-speed knitting and flexible movement at 80 to 150 times the speed of artificial production. It measures 15.24 by 13.78 by 3.7 inches and weighs 3 pounds, which is only enough to last you a long time of work. The tufting gun has good durability to help you make all kinds of great artwork and practical carpets. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Wahipa Rug Tufting Gun a 5-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following. Free spin. The auxiliary handle of the rug gun machine can be rotated and it can be adjusted freely according to the needs when weaving the carpet, which is comfortable and convenient. Safe protection. The tufting gun has built-in over-voltage, over-current, and short-circuit protection to ensure your safety during work. Adjustable speed and pile. It can be adjusted to the speed and pile head height you like, which is easy to operate and master. Its simple operation can reduce the trouble and help beginners weave various fancy patterns easily. High speed. This rug machine gun can reach a speed of 5 to 40 stitches per second, which will help you make your carpets quickly and easily. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is when operating the tufting gun, keep it in the correct orientation because the wrong orientation will cause the tufting to fail. The 6th rug tufting gun on our list is the Drehwit Cut Pile Tufting Gun. You can easily DIY your own exquisite work with this 12.6 by 11 by 2 inches tuft gun, weighing at 3 pounds, which can achieve long-term fatigue-free use. With its ergonomic design, simple operation, and easy maintenance, you can be certain it's the best choice for decorating your space. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Drehwit Cut Pile Tufting Gun a 5-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following. Adjustable handle. With its 360-degree rotating auxiliary handle, you may weave the carpet you need in a more comfortable and efficient manner than before. Adjustable speed. Beginners and experts alike will appreciate its speed-adjustable features for easily creating beautiful carpets and works of art of any size or style. Multiple protection. The electric tufting gun has been rigorously tested and equipped with safety features such as internal overvoltage, overcurrent, and short-circuit protection. High efficiency. This tufting gun has a stitch rate range of 5 to 45 stitches per second, which increases production efficiency by 80 to 150 times compared with manual production. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is it's only available in one color. The 7th rug tufting gun on our list is the Preto Rug Tufting Gun. When it comes to design, this tufting gun is different from the ones mentioned earlier because it is intended for pro users. It features an almost cylindrical and curvy gun with a shorter handle, and it's the only one available in green. In terms of size, it also measures 15.5 by 8 by 2.5 inches and is a bit heavier at 5.66 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Preto Rug Tufting Gun a 5-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following. Special shock-absorbing toolbox. It comes with a portable and sturdy box that protects your tufting gun from damage during transport and is convenient for you to carry and store. 2-in-1 cut and loop pile. You may create a variety of one-of-a-kind artworks by manually switching between the cut pile and the loop pile. Efficient working. It has a motor speed of 2,400 revolutions per minute to help professionals make carpets quickly and easily. Ergonomic design. The tufting gun has a 360-degree adjustable auxiliary handle for maximum comfort and flexibility. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is the rug tufting gun must be oiled and maintained regularly so as to make the machine's service life longer. And there you have it, folks, our 7 highest rated rug tufting guns, which got our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com excited this year. If you have any contenders for our next rug tufting gun roundup which you would like our team to test, do drop it in the comments section below and we will be sure to assess them for our next update. If you like this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our workshops great. We look forward to seeing you at the TrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.